प्रभु सदानंद, जय प्रभु सदानंद।
Dear godly inquisitive, say with love, Jai Prabhu Sadanand Ji.
जय प्रभु सदानंद।
Sant Gyaneshwar Swami Sadanand Ji Paramhans presents attributes of Sadguru for identification. If you have not so far gained these from your Guru, ask him now. If he postpones, he is surely not a Sadguru. Sadguru does not make his disciples to chant any mantra like Lord Vishnuji, Ramji and Krishnaji did in previous eras. Sadguru makes one to become a unified devotee of God.
Jai Prabhu.
Sadguru does not impart disciples a fractional knowledge in his Diksha or in his practical session. He imparts true, supreme and perfect knowledge at one time. Sadguru does not keep the disciples away from any achievements or put any achievement aside for later days. He provides all the perfect achievements at the same time by imparting absolute knowledge, including direct perception of liberation and immortality in this very life. Sadguru does not make one to chant a mantra or to meditate upon light. He imparts knowledge, jnana to make his disciples perfectly doubtless.
Jai Prabhu Sadanand.
Sadguru cannot make his disciple to involve in Maya. He bestows the Gyandrashti, eye of knowledge, to see this world's existence as false, mithya and unreal like a cinematographic play.
Jai Prabhu.
Sadguru does not keep the disciples away from knowing the techniques of being outside of the body to see oneself and to roam here and there. He bestows the subtle eye so that the disciple can use his or her body like a shirt, a cloth wear. Sadguru provides the disciples the divine eye to see the soul in form of divine light as and when he or she likes in his or her lifeline. Sadguru bestows Gyandrashti, supremely eye, to his disciples so that he or she can see the Virat form of the universal form of Khuda God Bhagwan, and so that he or she can talk to Khuda God Bhagwan immediately in front. Sadguru makes the disciples a perfect jnani to face any question of doubt from the public to respond authentically. Sadguru makes his disciple a unified devotee of God only. All these achievements are given by Sant Gyaneshwar Swami Sadanand Ji Paramhans at his practical session for surrendered devotion and service of Khuda God Bhagwan. Nothing is kept for later days. Worship, prayer, devotion and service. Why for incapable, inefficient and imperfect? Why not inclusively for the supremely capable, true and perfect Virat Bhagwan, the universal God? So please understand the value of your precious life and be aware while making a Sadguru.
Jai Prabhu.
Jai Prabhu Sadanand Ji.
Jai Prabhu Sadanand.